Hey guys, Will Hutt with Coldwell Banker. I am standing inside one of the units available at 1 Beach Street in beautiful Puerto Vallarta. I am so excited to show you guys this unit. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, full ownership unit, and it is right across the street from the beach. At 1 Beach Street, we have options. We have full ownership units available, and we also have deeded fractional ownership units available. Now, if you aren't familiar with fractional ownership, it is not a timeshare, and I'm happy to explain it all to you. Just send me a DM. I have a lot of information for you. It's a great way and a great option to own something close to the beach for a fraction of the cost.